Hi, kindergartners. For today's lesson, you're going to need two different colored crayons, markers or pencils, and a piece of paper. If you would like to pause now and go get that, you can. We have been playing Follow, Follow together. Today we're going to play that a little bit differently. I'm going to say the action, and then we will repeat what I said, and then do the action, so it's different this time. For example, follow, follow, cover your eye. Cover your eye. Do you see how I said it and then did the action? That's what we're going to do today. Follow, follow, pat your head. Pat your head. Very good. Did you remember to say it first? Good. Follow, follow, wiggle your ear. Wiggle your ear. Then do the action. Good. Follow, follow, shrug your shoulders. Shrug your shoulders. Very good. Follow, follow, pat your head and rub your tummy. Pat your head and rub your tummy. That's kind of a difficult one to do at the same time, isn't it? Very good job of listening and following directions. That is an example of how we can talk to ourselves and remind ourselves of what we want to do. And we can call that self-talk. You can talk to yourself quietly, really quietly. Remember to do that. Or you can say it inside your mind, silently thinking, oh, I need to remember to pay attention to the teacher. Like in our story last week, remember she did that? Okay, so we're going to review our rules for being good listeners. Eyes are for watching, ears are for hearing, voices should be quiet or off, and body should be still. Very good. Great remembering. Let's do that one more time. Eyes for watching, ears are for hearing, voices off or quiet, bodies still. Excellent. Well, we have a new friend today. This is Sammy Snail, and Sammy is a little bit shy. Doesn't like to talk too loud. You might have to lean in to listen to Sammy. I can't hear you, Sammy. Get a little louder. Remember my name. Remember to write my name. What, Sammy? Remember to write my name. You need to remember to write your name? At school? Yes, on my paper. Oh, very good, Sammy. Are you using self-talk and reminding yourself to write your name on your paper? Oh, Sammy's shy. See, yeah. It's okay, Sammy. We're all friends here. Does that help you remember to do something at school if you talk to yourself about it? That's great. Thank you for sharing that with us, Sammy. We will see you later. I think that's a great idea. A good idea to talk to ourselves and help remember things. Like I said, you can do it silently inside your mind or quietly, like Sammy was doing so quietly. Yes, so you can help remember. And Sammy was trying to remember to write her name on top of her paper when she got to school. That's very good to help remember to talk to yourself like that. That's a great job that Sammy did. Okay, now we have a story about Paolo. That's Paolo and Samaria. What do you see in this picture? That's right, Paolo is focused and doing his work, and Samaria is a little distracted, isn't she? She's using her pencil to be a playing instead of writing her work. We have been learning a lot of skills that learners need. Think about which ones Paulo might be using. Which skills might he be using that Samara is forgetting about? Do you think perhaps he remembered to put on his attentoscope and then leave it there even though he took his hands away? And he's focusing so intently even though she's trying to distract him? Do you think he's maybe using some self-talk? Oh, keep focusing, keep focusing. Don't let her distract you. Keep doing your work. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, he might be doing that. Good job. Do you have any other thoughts about what he's thinking or doing to help him remember and stay focused? Or what helps you? And she forgot to use her attentoscope, I think, because she's distracted by her pencil. That sometimes is hard to remember to stay focused, isn't it? But Paula was doing a great job. Okay, now it's time to use our paper and crayons or other drawing items that you have. We're going to take our piece of paper and fold it in half this direction. Good. Then unfold it, and where that paper fold, where that made a crease, take one of your colors and draw right on top of that line. So now you have a line down the middle and two halves of paper. In the top half, with that same color, whichever color you want to use is fine, make a circle. In the bottom half, make a square. It doesn't have to be a perfect square. This is really more about following directions, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So we have the line and the circle are the same color, a different color on the bottom for the square. Good. Now inside of the circle with the other color, so my circle is purple, so I'm going to draw inside of the circle with red. Draw a person, and it can be very simple, very, very simple person. Very simple. And inside of the square, draw a tree. Again, you can keep that very simple. Very good job. Did you remember to use your attentoscopes and focus in on the directions I was giving you? Did you use any self-talk, like repeating the directions that I gave you inside your mind silently? Those are all very useful and helpful things to do when following directions. Great job today, boys and girls. You learned about self-talk and how that can be useful when you're trying to focus and learn and grow your brains big and strong. When you use words to switch on your attentoscopes, that's a kind of self-talk. Yeah. So you say, oh, remember to turn on my attentoscope. Yeah, that's good self-talk. Very good, yes. When you tell yourself to ignore somebody who's nearby distracting you, that's good use of self-talk. Really good use of it. You can remember to try that this week. Tell yourself inside your mind, don't be distracted. Stay focused. So I can grow my brain big and strong and learn. Self-talk helps you learn and stay focused and just become smarter and smarter and smarter this year in kindergarten. Great job using all these skills that we've been learning. And I will see you next week. Bye.